Hello YouTube, welcome back for some more unboxing action. Today we have a golf bag from Ask Echo. Look at this thing. Shipping was pretty fast and efficient on it, and the box looks like it got here with no problems whatsoever. Let's go ahead and open it up. To open this puppy up today, we're going to be using the Finch Stinger Yellow Jacket. Look at that. It's a ribbed bone handle. Check out the link below. Okay, everyone, what do you say we go over some features of the Ask Echo bag now that we got her all unboxed here? Looking nice, by the way. Really nice. I do like the stars and stripes on there, though. That's pretty cool, and the gray and the white. That's fun. So this right here, this little tube thing, you say, what is that? Goes all the way through here. But you see, it's for your umbrella. Yeah, look at that. This right here, you're gonna go ahead and put your glove right there, attach it. They have a value pocket, so when you open this up, it's kind of nice and soft, but then it's also waterproof. Look at that, nice and soft. And it's waterproof as it goes into this pocket as well. I'm kind of thinking of everything here. See if we open up this pocket. There's that other one sneaking right through. See how they did that? Speaking of those zipper pulls, didn't say anything about them, but now I did. They're pretty nice. I like that. That's actually really easy. Everybody should be doing that. Little snowflake right there means it's a cooler compartment. Let's go ahead and open this puppy up. Look at that. To keep things nice and insulated in here. Okay, I'd say that maybe you have room for, maybe if you stuff it in there, like half a dozen cans with some ice or ice packs. Got a nice little slot right here for your scorecard. This little hole right here is to access your tees. And then right here, we have where the cart strap will go under so you can secure this bag to the back of the cart, no problem. Okay, cool thing is, on the other side, we're gonna have everything that we just saw, but in reverse. So we're gonna have our value pocket, we're gonna have our spot for our glove, and then we're gonna have our nice big side pocket as well. And again, on the front, we had the cooler, we had an area for our scorecard, area to put a patch, spot for our tee, our cart strap, and a couple little pockets up there as well. All right, having flipped the bag over, you see we have a nice carry handle up top. It's going to be the straps for the cart strap to go underneath that to pass through on both sides of the bag. We have the strap itself, which is nice and padded for the shoulder. And then all the way down here, we have a compartment for the rain cover. Next up, we're going to be getting into the silence top and everything that offers. Here's a look at some of the specs on the golf bag here for you people. This compartment up top where you have the tees and then you have the patch right there. You just pull on this, it's magnetic. That's awesome. Really like these grips on the side too. And they have a nice meaty one back here. Look at that. Grippy for sure.
Okay, I gotta tell you, the Ask Echo bag here, pretty normal ferrying experience. And you know, the shoulder strap is plenty comfortable. Lots of padding in there. So, full load of clubs. Feels pretty good.
One of the cool aspects about the Ask Echo is the ability to kind of like lock in your clubs. So that cool little grooved area is going to kind of grip it already, but once you put it in, give it a nice little push there. I don't know if you heard that, but it kind of locks it in. See if you can hear that again. Here you go. Hear that little click? So now it's locked in. What that means is that these clubs really aren't going to move
rattle or create really too much of a sound. You probably noticed that when we're walking over. But look at this, I can turn this thing completely upside down. Clubs aren't coming out. You see that? 180 degrees, look at this. Shaky, 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 shaky.
Thanks for watching, people. We really appreciate it. If you're new in town, consider subscribing. Till we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye-bye.